Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to teach you on how to download GTA San Andreas in your PC. First, you need to download the Steam application on your computer. Download it using the Steam official website, which you can access by searching on Google. Now here, go ahead and download the Steam. Then after that, open the app. Next, you need to create your account in Steam or simply log in if you already have one. Now when you're done with that, go to the Store section inside Steam. Next, click the search bar icon on the upper right and then search for Grand Theft Auto. You will see all of the list of GTA games. Simply find and click the Grand Theft Auto San Andreas, the definitive edition. Next, enter your birthday to continue because the game contains content that are not appropriate to all ages. After entering your date, click the View page. After that, scroll down until you see the Add to Cart button. Then click it. Now in the shopping cart, choose the option Purchase for myself. Next, choose the payment method that you will use. Sadly, this game isn't for free, so you need to buy it in order for you to download and play the game. You can either choose PayPal, your Visa or MasterCard. Simply choose what suits you. Then click Continue below to proceed. Then after that, log in or enter the details of the payment method that you choose. Once the payment has been confirmed, then it will automatically add the app on your library. You can check it by going to your library page. Then here, you will be able to download the game. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below and we'll see you on the next video.